Good evening, friends. I hope all of you are safe and fine. Now, I always keep on writing and suggesting people to invest in US and other areas, out of India. Now, there are solid reasons for that. One, it gives you the diversification to the portfolio. Second, you earn, when the INR depreciates against dollar. So, what are the compulsive reasons? Let's see it in the presentation. One is that you get access to companies which are not in India, and their growth, like, we all know FANG stocks, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google. And then second, we make money because the INR has been depreciating against dollar. So that because we are investing in dollar, and when we redeem, we get back in rupee, and if the dollar has appreciated, then we definitely make much more gains against, when we invested in dollars. So here, when I said that, you to get into world's best business, so this is how. And how do you do that? We have various mutual funds in India which invest in US in dollar terms. So in that case, if you need any help, you can always contact us. Now, if we see, the performances of equity class, or over a period of 10 years, different in different countries, we would see that USA has outperformed India, 8 out of 10 times. So India has only outperformed twice, in last 10 years. So that gives you a very compulsive reason to be invested in US, because one, because the US has been outperforming, and in the year when India is not performing, your portfolio gets a bump up, because you are, some portion, 10 or 20% is invested in US. So now we would understand all this, with a real example, so that you would understand how you benefit because of INR depreciation and overperformance outperformance of US funds. So my colleague will take over from here.
Okay, so let's assume that you had 20 lakh rupees to invest on 1st January of 2014. Now, as per the dollar value in terms of rupees, $1 was equal to 61 rupees in 2014. So that means that your 20 lakh rupees would equate to around $32,000 if you invested in the US. Now we'll assume that we have two funds, one is in India and one is in the US, and both of them are giving the same return of 15% per annum. If you invested until this day in the US, you would get $85,120 out of your $32,000, and you would get 53 lakh rupees out of 20 lakh rupees in India. But if we convert the $85,000 into rupees as of 2021, in which the dollar value is 75 in terms of rupees, then we would see that we have 62 lakh rupees compared to just 53 lakh rupees that we made in India. That means that the difference of 9 lakhs between 53 lakhs and 62 lakhs is purely because of currency appreciation. Now let's look at a real example of a US fund for the last 7 years. In this fund, we can see that the rate of return is around 17.38%. That means that your $32,000 in 2014 would amount to around $93,468 right now. So we can see that there is a gain, but there is also a hidden gain within this gain, which is just because of the currency appreciation of the dollar. Now, if we see, we have gained around 48 lakh rupees from investing in this US fund if we invested 20 lakhs in 2014. But only 39 lakhs out of the total 48 lakh gain is purely because of the returns. The remaining 9 lakhs is purely because of currency appreciation against the rupee.
So we hope that you have understood everything. In case you have any query, you can always contact us at investments@renukajain.in, and we wish you a great weekend ahead, and thank you.